guys, what's going on? Hope all is well. Happy Monday. I'm going to a no heat call in the city of White Plains, New York. We'll see what it is when we get there. Hope all is well again. It's nice weather. It's 60 degrees here today in New York State. Don't ask me how, but what's today? 28th of November? November 28th. That's crazy. But yeah, we'll see what it is when we get there. I'm not sure that dispatch knows. They said something about a gas valve. I don't know how they would know anything like that, but let's see. Going. Cycle this system. We just turned on the thermostat over there and see what happens. He said there's no heat, so let's see. This is a 2011 Carrier Brian Payne. And this is 2010 air conditioning. Let's see what happens. We're going to cycle the heat. Said there's no heat. Draft, pressure switch, and we're going to have our HSI light up. Then we're going to have our gas valve kick in. We should have our flame and our flame sensor and then our fan. Let's see what happens. Flame sensor, and then our fan. Okay, so it's off on flame sensor. Let's see what we got for lights. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 33, 4, 34. Ignition providing failure. Control the flame sensor. 34 is flame sensor failure. Let's try it again. Ignition. It's off on flame sensor. Kill power. It's clean to me. We'll clean it. We're going to check combustion and all that on this too. With the analyzer, check for gas leaks. Said he smelled a little gas, right? Screws here. Missing screws. Couple visual things that I see. Can you grab me 2 sheet metal screws in there? Little 1/4 inch screw there, screw there. And now we're just waiting for it to cycle. Draft inducer, pressure switch, HSI, gas valve, flame sensor, fan. Okay. fan should kick on. We're gonna check temp rise, supply return. All right. So we're gonna check a couple things. I just want to check combustion here. I'm gonna get my combustion analyzer. Check all the joints. This guy's heating. He's locking the door on me. Doesn't realize I need to go outside to check things. We checked operation, checked combustion, checked for gas leaks, cleaned the flame sensor that was turning the heat off. Now I'm just gonna close this door so the guy doesn't have to. What? Well set. Yeah, but I'm just gonna test the heat one more time before I leave. She's a go. 2011. Open this for winter. This looks shot. Like this, 35. Sorry for the light. Face. Put this on test. God, really? Okay. Set this to 35. Out there. All right, guys, she's running. Sprayed some soap bubbles all around. Cleaned it up best I could. Back wall got a little jizzed on, but she's good. So the heat's running, no gas problems, combustion, CO analysis, checked humidifier, and they have heat, which is very important. Do not do water heaters, so this is it's not out of mine. I mean, I know how to work them, but turn it up like that, but keep it at 120 degrees, which they say is... After 130 degrees, you start getting to third degree burn with the so A is 120 degrees, I believe, if I remember correctly from my previous company that I worked at. I believe. Well, water temperature over 125 can cause severe burns. See instructions, blah, 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 blah.
We do have air. We do have air.
They have to get what?
Fresh air, fresh air. 60?
Off.
Off? Okay.
I said the basement doesn't need.
Okay. Units off. Check water heater. Check heat. Repaired heat. Check CO. Check humidifier. She's in good shape. Put that to 35%, I believe. Let me check. 35%. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It was just a no heat. It's fixed. It was off flame sensor. But I went through the operations and checked everything. Thanks again. Happy holidays.